on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making melting potatoes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of chicken broth, parsley flakes. I have 4 medium-sized potatoes and I had cut them into 1-inch pieces. 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1 stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then we're also going to need 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. First you want to wash and peel your potatoes. Then you're going to cut them into 1-inch pieces. You want to make sure they all stay about the same size. And then you're going to rinse them off and place them into a bowl of cold water. Next you want to melt 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add in our dried thyme and also our 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. You can go ahead and whisk that together until it's well combined. Now you want to pour out the water from your potatoes, and we're just going to place them onto a paper towel, and we're going to blot them dry and try to remove all the excess water. Once you're done, place them back into your bowl. Now we're going to take our butter mixture and we're just going to pour it over top of our potatoes. And you just want to mix them until they're all nicely coated. Once they're all coated, turn your oven to 450 degrees. Now I have a 9x13 baking dish, and all we're going to do is layer our potatoes in it. Once you're done, now they're ready to go into our 450 degree oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're going to take them out of our oven, and you just want to flip them over. Once you flip them all over, we're going to place them back into our oven for 15 minutes. Now to our cup of chicken broth, we're going to add in our ground black pepper and also our minced garlic. Just going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, now after the 15 minutes, you want to remove your potatoes from the oven, and we're just going to begin to flip them over one more time. See how nice they're getting, nice and crispy. Okay guys, once you're done flipping them all over again, we're going to take our chicken broth mixture and we're just going to pour it over top of our potatoes. So now we're going to place them back into our oven for 15 more minutes. After the 15 minutes is up, you want to remove your potatoes from the oven. Now we're going to go ahead and plate them. Okay guys, once you have your potatoes plated, you want to melt the other 4 tablespoons of your butter, and we're just going to drizzle it over top of our potatoes. Next, we're going to take our dried parsley flakes and just sprinkle some over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our melting potatoes. These are great as a side dish. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?